to bed one night, awoke at heaven's gates, shaking his head, crying, "This is a mistake." St. Peter was there, opened the gates, let him in. Hanging his head, saw his life, saw all the sin. Once inside, he met up with the Lord, angels all around. Tears streaming down, they fell to the floor. I don't understand, I don't belong up here. The life I lived till now is worse than I fear. I sinned against you, took your name in vain. I love my family, it still caused them pain. Sat in bars, drinking more than I would. Life turned out much harder than it should. God listened as the farmer confessed his sin, said, "Let's take a walk. Let me show you why I let you in. Look below to the land that you farmed, the care that you took. Gave it to you knowing you'd care for it like I would. Many hours you labored and sweat, always praying seeds would grow, preparing to receive crops, though fate you didn't know. Hail and rain, disease and drought plagued at every turn. Faithfully, year after year, you stumbled but you learned. Look at the neighbors you helped along the way, never asking to ever be repaid. Sat beside you in bars as you comforted the lost. You don't have to be in church to see value worth the cost. Dry the tears you hid from your family, sorrowed in your grief. Kids wandered aimlessly. Been a steward of the land, look at all the work you did to create this legacy. Life on earth is not complete. There's work left for you to do. I have a plan for your life, many dreams to make come true. You touch the lives of others in different ways. Show them I'm a loving God by work you do each day. Go back and walk out the plans that I shared. Live daily showing how much you really care. One day we'll be together again. My son will bring you home. I'll be with you. You never walk alone. At that